Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Thomas. Today's DIY is going to be one that's pretty important right now with rainy season coming up in California right now. Windshield wipers are more important than ever. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick DIY on swapping out your windshield wipers. If you guys want to see where I bought these windshield wipers from, I'll leave the link in the description below. Just make sure to check if it fits your model or not. I believe the only difference is the hatchbacks have their own special wipers. So just check with the website, it'll show you all the descriptions and whatnot. But let's just go ahead and get right into the DIY for today. Real quickly guys, before you guys go ahead and go into this DIY, just make sure you have the proper lengths. So the passenger side is going to be a much shorter length than the driver's side. The driver's side is far longer, it's the one that's broken right here. Hopefully you guys can see this in the frame. But yeah, just make sure the shorter one goes to the passenger side and the longer one goes on the driver's side. This is my driver windshield wiper. Let me describe quickly how the process goes. So what you're going to want to do is prop it up so it's standing like this. Then what you're going to do, pull the outside of the windshield wiper towards you. Underneath here there's going to be a little clip. You just pull outside towards this way, and then you just press the windshield wiper down. Alright? And then it'll just come off like that. Super simple. Now let me get you guys a close-up of that. Okay guys, so with the windshield wiper off, I'll show you guys how this works. So this is how you saw it earlier, standing downward. There's going to be this clip right here, right there. So this is normally in the downward position. That's to lock. What you're going to want to do is you just pull it outward so that it's upward. Hopefully you guys can see that. There's that little tab, you just push on it outward. Don't go too hard, and then after that you just push it downwards. And then your windshield wiper is off. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you reassembly with the OEM one, since the new one is kind of different, but I'll go ahead and show you guys that one as well. It's a different design, so there's going to be a difference in how you install it. So for anyone just opting to go for an OEM replacement, this is how you're going to do it. All you're going to want to do, once again, lift this tab up, and then just slide it in from the top. And then you're done. So for anyone who opted to buy the same exact one that I bought, it's a Bosch OE replacement. There's going to be a little bit of a difference in style. As you guys can see, there's this extra thing. How this works is you just pinch these two tabs and push that middle clip up, like that. And once you get that set up, all you do is push it in from here, just like the OEM, and slide it down. There you go. And just go ahead and close that. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's DIY. Hopefully this helps some of you out. Just make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. It really helps the channel out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.